In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance photo quality in Canva. If you've ever had a great photo that looked a little soft, small, or grainy, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Canva's built-in image upscaler to boost clarity and resolution in just a few clicks, without changing your design workflow. I'll keep it simple and explain what you're seeing along the way, so you know exactly why each click matters. First, head to Canva's homepage in your browser. You can do this on either desktop or laptop for the smoothest experience. Make sure you're signed in so your edits save automatically. If you're working with large images, having a few tabs closed can help Canva run more smoothly. Once the home page loads, you're ready for the next move. From the home screen, either create a new design or open an existing project. If you're starting fresh, choose a size that matches where the image will live, like a presentation slide, a social post, or a custom canvas. If you already have a design going, opening that project is perfectly fine. The upscaler works on the photo itself, so your choice here is about convenience, not quality. Now, bring your photo onto the canvas or locate it within your existing design. Click the image to select it. You'll see a bounding box appear, which confirms you're targeting the right element. For best results, start with the highest quality version you have. If you're unsure, zoom in briefly to check for heavy pixelation or compression, then zoom back out before editing. With the image selected, click Edit. This opens the editing sidebar, where Canva groups tools like adjustments, effects, and more. Think of this panel as your control center, the place where enhancements happen without disrupting your layout. Inside the editor, navigate to the Apps section. Open Apps, then choose Image Upscaler. This tool uses AI to intelligently increase the resolution of your photo, sharpening edges and restoring detail that gets lost when an image is small or slightly blurry. After you select Image Upscaler, Canva analyzes the photo and quickly generates a higher resolution version. If the tool offers scaling options, pick the smallest increase that meets your needs. Larger scales can create bigger files and aren't always necessary. Keep an eye on the preview to make sure faces, text, and fine lines look clean and natural. That's it. You went to Canva, opened or created a design, selected your photo, opened Edit, and chose Image Upscaler to enhance quality. Give it a try on a few images and you'll see how much crisper your designs can look. Thanks for watching and happy designing.